Hello everybody. The purpose of this video is to explain to you how to use the study plan to get you ready for the topic quizzes if you need to, and how the topic quizzes will work. Here below you'll see that I have two study plans for two topic quizzes available. I've got the study plan for topic 1 and the study plan for topic 2. Think of the study plans as your homework. These are great practice problems that help you get ready for the topic quizzes. All the problems in the study plan are eligible to be used on the topic quizzes. I'm going to go ahead and click on the study plan for topic 2 and take you through what you will see when you get to the screen. Here you're going to see a couple things. Here are the objectives that I will be quizzing on in the topic quizzes. You can see that each of these has their own different thing. So for example, this one is only practicing finding unknown numbers using the strategy for problem solving, whereas the last one is practicing solving applications involving problem study. We call each of these mastery points. You can see for this topic, there are 5 mastery points, and we have earned 0 at this point because we haven't tried to practice them. You can go through and do a couple things here. You can click on each one of these links and practice different questions. So for example, I've opened up this link, and I can go through and I can practice this question over and over again if I want. I'll go ahead and click on the second one, and you can see all the different types of practice questions we have for this content. Again, some of these questions will appear on your topic quiz, but not all of them. You could also click Quiz Me. Quiz Me will bring up a quiz that you can quiz yourself with. In this case, to get mastery on the study plan, you'll need to get an 80% on this quiz. This quiz has 1 question, so you would need to get this question completely correct. Whereas if I go through and I click on this one, it has 2 questions, so within those 2 questions you would need to get 80% correct to be considered a mastery. You do not need to earn the mastery points if you don't want to, unless you've already taken a quiz. We will discuss that shortly. You could go through and just practice each of the problems if you would like help. As you go through and practice, some things are available for you. You can go through and view an example of another problem, and it will take you step by step through it, or you can click Help Me Solve, and it'll help you solve a problem that is similar to it. When you are ready to take a quiz, you will click on the yellow square here for the quiz. As a reminder, all quizzes are password protected. You must go through HonorLock to take the quiz. I will not have the passwords available. HonorLock will put in the password for you. After you have finished taking a quiz, you may take another attempt, but in order to gain another attempt, you must complete the study plan. So if you look up here for topic number 1 quiz, you'll see a green flag. I've already taken this quiz, and I scored a 65 on it. If you are fine with a 65, you can leave that as it is, or you may have 2 more attempts. But the green flag here says that I must earn at least 5 out of 5 mastery points on study plan for topic number 1 quiz. Once you take a quiz, you must complete any study plan topic points that are left. I'm going to click on the study plan for topic 1 quiz. Now in this one, it says I already earned 3 out of the 5 mastery points. I earned those based on the quiz that I just took. So anything that you score well enough on, it will give you the mastery points. These 2 objectives here, I did not score well on. And so these are the things I should be practicing in order to take the topic quiz again. I need to earn both of these points. I need to earn both of these mastery points in order to unlock it again. The only way you can unlock and earn a mastery point is by hit Quiz Me. So if I wanted to, I would go through and I would click this, and I would click Quiz Me, and I would start the quiz to do it. If I want to, I could practice questions beforehand, so I can go through this list. And I see there's about 21 questions here, so I could practice these as much as I want to get ready for it. But when I'm ready, I will click Quiz Me, and I will start the 5-question quiz, and I need to get an 80% on it to be able to unlock it. What happens if I don't get an 80%? So I'm going to start this quiz, and I'm going to get less than an 80% on it to show you what will happen. So here there's 5 questions. Let's go ahead and put in some answers. These quizzes are untimed, so you could take as much time as you want on them. These quizzes do not need to be done on HonorLock. You could do them by yourself. Okay. So I'm going to submit the quiz as is. And on this quiz, I'm not going to score above an 80%. In fact, I scored a 0. So what's going to happen? So I go back to my study plan, and this time I notice if I want to try it again, the quiz me is grayed out. I cannot do the quiz me. I must practice one problem to open this back up. So in this case, I will go to the practice, and all I have to do is practice one question. So let's say I want to practice this question here. I go through and I try to get the answer. And I get the answer correct. Now I can go back through and it'll unlock the quiz me to take again. So if you ever do not have the quiz me button, you will just go back in and unlock it to get your answer. Once I have successfully finished each of these quiz me's, I should have 5 out of 5 mastery points earned. And then I could go back to the quiz and this green flag will be gone and I could take the rest of my 2 attempts. You only need to complete the green flag once. Once it does that, you will be able to do each of the attempts after that. If after 3 attempts you're still not satisfied with your quiz grade, please reach out to me and I will see how I can help you. Again, the study plan is not a graded assignment. Think of it as practice to get you ready for the quizzes. It is your choice if you want to practice it or not. My advice would be to practice some of them, but if you feel confident in the material, go ahead and take the topic quizzes. If you wish to take more than one attempt, then you will need to do the study plan to be able to solve it. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to myself and I'll be able to help you elaborate. Thank you.